Oh, ooh. Hey guys, I'm Chetna and I am making a lovely little starter for your Thanksgiving meal, and for that I am starting by grating some cheddar cheese. So what is it that needs cheddar cheese? I am making lovely prawn and cheese toast, and they are super simple, really quick to make and delicious. I have got here some king prawns, and I would say for this recipe around 8 to 10 should be plenty. And I'm going to just clean and devein them first. So that would just mean get the mess out of the way. And it is quite simple. You break the head, pull the tail, and then you slice and get rid of the vein. And it might take a few minutes, but it's totally worth it, because if you can get hold of the fresh whole ones, otherwise you can just buy the raw but already prepared ones. For the prawn toast, of course, I need some toast. So I have got around 10-12 inch baguette, and I'm just going to cut thin slices out of that. And in the meantime, I've got my grill heating up at 250°C, or a medium, you can call it medium, and some of you might know it as broiler. So I've got that on. On a baking tray, I've got some foil, and I'm just going to place these slices on it, and I'm just going to put it under the grill for maybe a minute or less than that. What we want is a lovely golden color. Just under a minute, and you can see it's got a lovely color on it. Just going to turn all these over, and this will take even less time. It's a really nice quick starter or a snack or a canapé you can use and prepare for any sort of gathering or party, or just for yourself, to be honest. Oh, look. So it's like a nice even color. And all I'm going to do now is just place them here. And just put a little bit of butter on these slices, just on one side, where we will put our prawn mixture on. I'm just going to get this done as well. And while that is getting done, I am going to quickly put a little bit of butter on these. Now that the toast is done, I'm very quickly going to make the topping for this, which obviously will have prawns. So like I said, you could use jumbo prawns, king prawns, or you could use tiny ones. You would just have to use a few more. And then chop it. Once you've deveined and cleaned it, then just chop it into really small pieces. Just going to transfer this to a bowl. And the next thing to add is 1 red onion. I'm going to finely chop this, and a little piece of ginger. So just finely chop both of these. Into the prawns goes the chopped up onion and ginger. And also going to add some coriander. Now I'm using coriander. I usually use dill, but you can use dill, you can use coriander. You could use some parsley if you like. So the herb is really one you can kind of change and use according to your preference. So that is the few things. Then in goes a bit of chili flakes, because why not? and also salt, which is really important. You need to season it well, and a little bit of fresh black pepper. And then I'm going to add some mayo and also some grated cheddar cheese. Then all that's left to do is mix. So simple. And here is our toast. Just going to get a spoon and just going to place the prawn mixture on top of these slices. So you can put tiny amounts, or you can, put a nice big heap full. So I'm using the same tray I used to grill it. So I've got the same sheet of foil, and the toast are still nice and crunchy. Just going to place it. I've still got the grill on at the same setting, and this should not take long, 2 to 3 minutes, maybe less. And you can see the prawns turning pink, and that's when you know that it's cooked. That's your signal that the toast is ready to come out. Okay, just gonna get that in. And don't leave the kitchen. This is not the time to run around and tidy up, and just stay here because it does cook really quickly. Just like the toast, it will go nice and cooked. I am actually going to put a timer for 2 minutes though. Oh, you can see that the color of the prawns has changed from gray to pink, and that's the sign that they are done. And I'm just going to transfer it straight away to my serving plate. And you can garnish it with some more chili flakes, or you could put a drop of some chili sauce. It is up to you. I am going to actually put some fresh coriander leaves on top. So if you're using chive or parsley, then you can just finish it with the herb that you're using. So you can prepare the toast in advance, not like a day ago, but a few hours in advance, and you can leave the toast buttered. You can make the filling and then put it together and put it on the grill just before you are serving. So you've got the things prepared, and you can make it piping hot, fresh for yourself or your guests. So here it is, the prawn toast with cheese and coriander. Just look at that. So you can take it around and serve it to your friends and family. And I have just got my chief tester into the kitchen to have a little taste and let me know. What do you think?
Actually, really good.
She sounds so surprised.
I don't like prawns.
Ah, okay. So that's a very good answer, because yep, she doesn't like prawn and she still loves it. So I do hope that you will try this for your family and friends and give this a go. And I hope to see you guys very soon. Bye.